Bullish Toncoin value expectation is $1.98 to $5.10. Toncoin cost could likewise reach $2.50 soon. Bearish Toncoin cost expectation for 2022 is 75 cents. In Toncoin cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Ton to dissect the future development of the digital money. Toncoin current market status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of Toncoin is $2.06 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $49,999,838 at the hour of composing. In any case, Ton has expanded by almost 5.72% as of now. Besides, Toncoin has a flowing stockpile of 1,221,401,181 ton. As of now, Ton exchanges cryptographic money trades like CoinX, KuCoin, OKX, Gate.io, BingX, LBank, and MEXC. What is Toncoin? Toncoin is the local badge of the open organization. Ton can be utilized to pay exchange charges, settle installments, and approve exchanges on the Toncoin blockchain, which utilizes the confirmation of stake agreement model. The open organization, otherwise called Ton, is a decentralized Layer 1 blockchain stage made by the cloud-based texting administration, Message. Ton offers fast, modest, and energy-productive exchanges. The open organization is likewise prestigious for its adaptability, and ecological amicability. Toncoin value forecast 2022. Toncoin stands firm on the 24th foothold on CoinGecko at this moment. Ton cost forecast 2022 is made sense of underneath with an everyday time period. The above diagram of Toncoin spread out a climbing channel design, otherwise called the rising channel. The upper and lower pattern lines that interface the new records all around individually seem to move inside a rising incline. This example is for the most part a trade of a bullish pattern. Right now, Toncoin is in the scope of $2.06. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of Ton could arrive at the opposition levels of $2 and $4.44. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Ton might tumble to $1.36 and 79 cents. Toncoin backing and obstruction levels. The outline beneath shows the help and opposition levels of Toncoin. From the above everyday time period, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for Toncoin. The graphs show that Ton has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Ton could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $5.10. In like manner, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Ton could plunge to nearly 75 cents, a negative sign. Toncoin value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Toncoin is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of Ton lies beneath the end line, demonstrating feeble members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Toncoin is displayed in the diagram above. Eminently, Ton cost lies over 50 MAMA, so it is in an upswing. As of now, Ton has entered a bullish state. Thusly, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Ton whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength file of the Ton is 66.81. This implies that Ton is almost in an overbought state. Notwithstanding, this implies a significant value inversion of Ton might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Toncoin value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of Toncoin. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Toncoin. At present, the ADX of Ton lies in the scope of 39.01, and in this manner, it shows major areas of strength for it. The above outline additionally addresses the overall instability record of Toncoin. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Ton lies over 50, demonstrating high unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Ton is at 66.81, in this way affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of Ton with BTC, ETH. The underneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Toncoin. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activities of BTC, ETH, and Ton are moving in a comparative pattern. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Ton additionally increments or diminishes separately. Toncoin value forecast 2023. On the off chance that the declining cost activity totally dials back and forth and the pattern switches, Toncoin could likely achieve $3.50 by 2023. Tongcoin Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Tongcoin could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Ton could mobilize to hit $5 by 2024. Tongcoin Value Expectation 2025. If Tongcoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Ton would mobilize to hit $7. Tongcoin Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Tongcoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Ton would energize to hit $9. Tongcoin Value Expectation 2027. If Tongcoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Ton would energize to hit $11. Tongcoin Value Expectation 2028. If Tongcoin holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, Ton would hit $13 in 2028. Tongcoin Value Forecast 2029. On the off chance that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Tongcoin, it would observe significant spikes. Ton could hit $15 by 2029. Tongcoin Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the Tongcoin environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Ton for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Tongcoin could hit $17 by 2030. And, with consistent enhancements in the Tongcoin organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Ton. Consequently, the bullish value expectation of Tongcoin in 2022 is $5.10. Then again, the negative value expectation of Tongcoin cost forecast for 2022 is 75 cents. Besides, with the progressions and moves up to the Tongcoin environment, the exhibition of Ton would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $5.29 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $2.50 in the event that the financial backers accept that Ton is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Tongcoin? Tongcoin is the local branch of the Open Organization, a decentralized Layer 1 blockchain network. Ton can be utilized to pay exchange expenses, settle installments, or approve exchanges on the Tongcoin blockchain utilizing the confirmation of stake agreement model. 2. Where could you at any point buy Tongcoin? Tongcoin has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate CoinEx, KuCoin, OKX, Gate.io, youhodler Worldwide, LBank and MEXC. 3. Will Tongcoin come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the Tongcoin stage, it has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Tongcoin? On November 12, 2021, Tongcoin arrived at its new all-time high of $5.29. 5. Is Tongcoin a wise interest in 2022? Tongcoin is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital currencies this year. As per the